Hi, I thought I'd make a short video after a long period of time, but right now I have a problem which would make an interesting problem to solve. And the thing is this: the battery on this car was really bad, and also the weather was really cold. It was minus 16 degrees Celsius, and I went to turn the ignition on, and what happened was that the glow plug lights were on, and the car was about to start, but then it just switched off. And when I put the key in here, normally the car would turn the ignition on, but let's see what happens now. So I'm pressing the brake pedal and I put the key on and nothing happens. Absolutely nothing. But I can turn the radio on and I can turn the parking lights on. So let's see what the problem is. Okay, I did some research on the internet, and it seems that the car needs the electronic... I'm sorry, the lights went out. Okay, so the car needs the signal from the steering wheel lock to turn on the ignition, and clearly this could be the problem, so let's go and see if we are getting power through the fuses. So I went to check all these fuses and they are okay. Also this safety switch here. So the power is getting to the rest of the system. I printed this fuse list, and when I'm looking at here, the electric steering lock has its own fuse. A 20 amp maxi fuse, these are the bigger ones. And we can see here, it's over there on the corner. So let's open the fuse box and check that. Here is the fuse box open, and this one is the fuse. And let's check this. And the fuse is blown. Okay, so I don't know if this can happen when the battery was really flat, or is there something wrong, but I'm going to find a new fuse and test. So I found this fuse. This looks slightly different, but it's okay. And let's just put this there. There it is. Now let's go to test the car. Okay, let's try this now. And it works. So, replacing the fuse fixed this car, and I can just give you an advice learning from this that you shouldn't use your car if it has a really bad battery, because the circuitry on the car doesn't like the low voltage. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope somebody found this useful.